In this video, we will show you how to use the name drop tool in order to create multiple designs by changing only the inserted text. We'll use the name drop tool to embroider the same hat design with different names. The design is ready. To apply name drop, right-click on the text that is to be interchanged and use the name drop option. You can also start name drop using the respective option from the Tools menu. Now, type one by one the names and press Enter to go to the next line. The change of line is detected as change of name. We can always paste one or more names if copied from another writing program. Have in mind that once you have created a list of names, you can always save it in a file to reuse it anytime you like. To delete a name, just use the Delete key. As already mentioned, you can easily load an existing name drop list. See, the saved names are restored. When you apply name drop, any name on the list replaces the initial name of the design. If you also select objects, these will be duplicated on the design along with each name. On Sequence Manager, you have a clearer view of the created parts. The design parts are in such a sequence that if you send the design to the machine, the first name and the hat design will be embroidered and the machine will automatically stop, waiting from you to change the fabric before you continue with the next name drop design. In this way, you can embroider all names. Have in mind that you can easily create separate designs for each name. Click on each sequence icon and the respective name with the hat design is selected. Copy or cut the selected parts and paste into a new design. The design is now pasted into the same position in the hoop, provided that the same hoop is being used.